The Singer M1500 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a lightweight and portable sewing machine, especially beginners. It's easy to transport, making it ideal for small spaces or taking to classes. Don't let its compact size fool you. This machine packs a punch with 57 stitch applications, covering everything from basic straight and zigzag stitches to more decorative options like scallop stitches and a 4-step buttonhole. One of the standout features for beginners is the preset stitch length and width. This takes the guesswork out of adjusting settings and allows you to focus on learning the basics of sewing. Threading the machine is also a breeze, thanks to the clearly marked guides directly on the machine. The front-loading bobbin is another convenient feature that simplifies the setup process. While the machine is primarily plastic, the full metal frame provides much-needed stability and durability, ensuring it can handle regular use. The included accessory kit is a nice bonus, providing you with essential feet for zippers and buttonholes, along with a seam ripper, screwdriver, bobbins, needles, and even a dust cover. This machine is perfect for a wide range of projects, from simple mending and alterations to creating crafts and even piecing quilts. The Singer M1500 truly shines in its simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking for a portable and reliable sewing machine without breaking the bank. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more advanced machines, it offers excellent value and functionality for its price point. If you're looking to start sewing or need a portable option for smaller projects, the Singer M1500 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.